Have you ever looked at the exterior of your home and felt like it's just missing something? You want it to stand out, but without going over the top. What if I told you that adding an accent wall could be the key to taking your home's look to the next level? Today, I want to talk to you about a design element that often gets overlooked, but can make a massive difference: an exterior accent wall. You might be wondering, what exactly is an accent wall, and how can it change the look of your home? Don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what an accent wall is, but also how you can use it to give your house a modern, stylish look without needing a full-scale remodel. So, let's get started. First things first, what is an exterior accent wall? Simply put, it's one part of your home's exterior that's designed to stand out from the rest. But unlike a full remodel, this is a subtle touch that can make a huge impact. Accent walls are all about balance. You want them to be noticeable but not overpowering. So, think of it as the finishing touch on your home's design that brings everything together. The great thing about accent walls is that you don't have to go big to make a statement. It could be a small section near your front door, a feature wall that highlights your outdoor living space, or even a backdrop that enhances your landscaping. What makes it even better is that modern designs allow you to play with a variety of materials: wood, stone, metal, or even concrete, to create the perfect look for your home. But here's the tricky part. How do you know which type of accent wall is best for your home? Let's break down some of the most popular options and talk about what might work for you. Now, when we talk about modern accent walls, it's really about choosing materials that are both stylish and functional. You want something that not only looks great, but also lasts over time. So, let's walk through some of the most popular choices for exterior accent walls in today's modern homes. Wooden slat walls. If you're looking for something warm and inviting, a wooden slat wall might be perfect for your home. Wood has this natural charm to it, but when you use it in modern designs, it becomes sleek and sophisticated. You can arrange the wood slats vertically or horizontally to achieve different effects. So, if you're going for a taller, more elegant look, vertical slats are the way to go. But if you want something that feels more grounded and wider, horizontal slats can create that illusion. Now, a word of caution when using wood outside: make sure it's treated for weather resistance. You don't want to fall in love with a beautiful wooden accent wall only to find out it's going to warp or rot after a few seasons. For those of you who want the look of wood without the maintenance, there are composite materials available that mimic wood's appearance, but hold up much better in outdoor conditions. Stone or brick cladding. So, maybe wood isn't your thing, and you're after something that feels a bit more rugged but still timeless. That's where stone or brick cladding comes in. Stone adds a sense of permanence and stability to any home. You could go for a natural, stacked stone look, or opt for something more refined, like cut stone panels. Either way, stone is fantastic for adding texture and interest to your exterior, especially when paired with smoother materials like glass or metal. Brick, on the other hand, is perfect if you want to bring an industrial vibe to your home's exterior. You'll often see brick cladding used in urban modern designs because it has that raw, unfinished feel while still being versatile enough to work with other elements like metal or wood. But remember, if cost or weight is a concern, faux stone or faux brick options are available that look just as good but are easier to install and maintain. Textured concrete. Concrete may not be the first material that comes to mind when you think of accent walls, but in modern design, it's actually becoming a go-to choice. Textured or patterned concrete can bring a minimalist, almost industrial vibe to your home. And the best part? It's incredibly durable and low maintenance. One trend we're seeing a lot of is using large concrete panels to create a sleek, minimalist facade. These panels can have subtle textures or patterns etched into them, giving them depth without overwhelming the rest of the design. So, if you're going for that minimalist or industrial look, textured concrete is definitely something to consider. Metal panels. Last but not least, let's talk about metal panels. If you want a futuristic, sleek look, metal might be your best bet. Aluminum and steel panels are becoming more and more popular in modern architecture because they give off this polished, modern aesthetics that's also super durable. They're not only resistant to the elements, but also come in a range of finishes, from matte to glossy, depending on the look you're going for. So, if your home has a lot of sharp, clean lines, or you're trying to achieve that ultra-modern, almost industrial feel, metal could be the perfect choice for your accent wall. Just make sure you pick a finish that complements the rest of your home's materials. You don't want something too shiny if your home's overall look is more subdued, right? All right, now that we've talked about the different types of materials you can use, the big question is, how do you choose the right accent wall for your home? It really comes down to your home's overall style and what you want to highlight. You want your accent wall to complement your home, not compete with it. For example, if you have a Scandinavian-style home, lighter wood tones, or even textured concrete would work beautifully. Scandinavian design is all about minimalism and natural elements, so you want something that feels clean and organic. A wooden slat wall with soft light tones could be perfect, especially if you pair it with white or gray tones in the rest of your home's exterior. But if you're going for a more industrial look, you might want to consider darker materials like metal or rough stone. Industrial design is about that raw, unfinished look, so stone or brick cladding could add just the right amount of texture. Metal panels, especially in dark, matte finishes, can make your home feel edgy and modern. Before you rush out and start picking materials, let's talk about a few common mistakes that can really throw off your design. Too many accent walls. I see this all the time. People get excited about the idea of accent walls and end up adding too many. But here's the thing, less is more. You want your accent wall to stand out, but if you have too many competing for attention, it's going to feel chaotic. Stick to 1 or 2 accent areas max, and make sure they enhance rather than overpower your home's design. Ignoring maintenance. Another mistake people make is choosing materials that require too much upkeep. For example, untreated wood might look beautiful, but it's not going to hold up well in humid or rainy climates unless it's properly maintained. So, if you're not ready to deal with maintenance, consider alternatives like composite materials that give you the look you want, but are much more durable. Overpowering the design. Finally, remember that your accent wall should complement your home's architecture. If your house already has string design elements, you don't want to pick an accent wall that's going to compete with them. Instead, choose something that enhances those features. If your home has a minimalist design, go with a simple, clean accent wall, like textured concrete or smooth stone. So, now that you've got a better understanding of what an accent wall can do for your home, why not give it a try? It's an easy way to add style, character, and value to your home without a full renovation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical design advice. And if you're inspired to upgrade your space, check out the links below for some of the best items to match your style. Also, if you have an interior design problem or need realistic 3D modeling, feel free to email us directly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.